Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following is not a characteristics of either the company's separations or the global camera drone marketplace in which the company competes? The correct answer to the question is the company assembles camera and drone models in advance, keep roughly a 10-day to 2-week inventory of each model in company facilities, and then uses exciting inventory to quickly fill incoming orders, customer orders, or delivers within 3 to 10 days for of receipt depending on where customers are located in the 4 geographic regions. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, really a comment, I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.